Most running boards on Amazon are thin steel slabs that fail in rain, salt, and mud. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Tired of guessing which one really grips the curb and survives tough weather? This video breaks down the best options so you can pick with confidence. Today, I'm going to be going over the best running boards that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the COMNOVA running boards. COMNOVA running boards immediately signal a rugged aftermarket upgrade crafted for crew cab Silverado and Sierra owners seeking safer, easier entry. Constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel with a 6-inch wide stepping surface, these boards promise secure footing and durable rust-resistant performance. Designed for the Chevy Silverado crew cab models from 2019 to 2026 and the Silverado Sierra crew cab, the OE-style non-welded design uses 4 brackets on each side to provide a secure, symmetrical mounting that enhances ingress and egress. An innovative slider design with a United States patent allows adjustability of position forward or backward for precise alignment. Installation is a straightforward bolt-on process with no drilling, and each board supports up to 500 pounds. This package includes 8 mounting brackets along with the running boards, creating a sturdier assembly than comparable 6-bracket configurations. In real-world testing, the boards handled heavy foot traffic and payload up to the rated 500 pounds without noticeable flex. The anti-slip plastic steps provide secure traction even in wet conditions, complementing the powder-coated rust prevention finish. Compared with a typical 6-bracket set, COMNOVA running boards with 8 brackets deliver greater rigidity and improved long-term durability. The pros include strong build, high weight capacity, and easy bolt-on installation, making them exceptionally practical for daily driving and heavy use. The cons include higher price and heavier weight, factors that may influence value-minded buyers who compare against more budget-friendly alternatives. During daily use in varied weather, powder-coated finish resists rust and the textured surface stays easy to clean after mud. If you want a rugged, adjustable stepping solution for Silverado crew cabs, this COMNOVA set offers robust brackets and reliable entry support. At number 4, we have the COMNOVA running boards. From the 6-inch wide step to a stainless steel shell, the design clearly targets crew cab Ram owners seeking rugged utility. Constructed with high-light stainless steel and anti-slip plastic steps, they resist salt spray corrosion and UV radiation without discoloration. The innovative slider design is patented in the US, allowing forward and backward adjustment for personalized step position across uneven curb heights. Installation is bolt-on with no drilling required, and each bar supports up to 500 pounds, supported by included brackets and hardware. It is not compatible with quad cab or mega cab configurations, and it excludes Ram Classic models as well. Each running board measures roughly 6 inches wide, delivering confident footing across the truck side step while maintaining a slim integrated profile. The kit includes 2 steps, one left and one right, plus mounting brackets and installation hardware to streamline setup. In practical trials, the setup completes under an hour with common hand tools, and its bolt-on installation proves straightforward during repeated climbs. During salt spray exposure and UV light tests, the stainless surface retains its finish, preventing rust staining and unsightly discoloration over time. Compared to standard fixed 6-inch Nerf bars, the COMNOVA features a patented slider that adjusts position for optimized reach. The pros include sturdy stainless steel construction, precise fit with factory bolts, and effortless bolt-on installation. The cons include a higher price than common running boards and a limited fitment to crew cab 4 full-door configurations. The installation videos accompany the listing, and the hardware components included ensure you can complete the bolt-on process without professional help. In summary, the COMNOVA running boards deliver rugged strength, secure footing, adjustable positioning, and straightforward installation for Ram crew cabs. At number 3, we have the SMANOW drop-down running boards, a rugged solution designed for easy entry and durable performance. If you own a crew cab Ram, these boards promise a noticeable step up in accessibility and protection from road debris. From the initial inspection, these running boards radiate a premium build quality with textured powder coat and robust steel construction. 82-inch span with 4.7-inch drop ensures easy entry across a wide range of Ram configurations. Maximum load rating above 450 pounds ensures confidence during daily commutes and occasional heavy payload tasks. Non-slip tread on step pads provides reliable traction in wet, muddy, snowy, or icy conditions during every ascent. Simple install requires no drilling on most models and includes left and right steps, mounting brackets, hardware, and clear instructions. For certain early Ram variants, a small hole may be required during installation, as noted in the manual. Compatibility excludes the 2019 through 2025 Ram new body styles, so buyers must confirm their variant before ordering. In real-world testing, the boards show rigidity and reliable contact over uneven pavement and gravel roads consistently. Installation time is reasonable with straightforward steps and included hardware, helping owners reduce shop time on the weekend. Compared to the AMP Research Power Step, this manual drop-down option offers a simpler, more affordable approach without electrical components. The pros include strong build, easy installation, and great traction. The cons include higher price and limited compatibility with modern body styles. At number 2, we have the JOYTUTUS running boards. From the moment you unbox them, the OEM precision fit and heavy-duty construction signal a premium upgrade for Wrangler JL owners. Built with reinforced steel, these side steps support up to 500 pounds, delivering stability for adults, kids, and cargo alike. The dual-tier anti-slip design uses two textured steps measuring 4.33 inches and 5.51 inches wide. Coated with a rugged black finish, the boards resist rust and corrosion while withstanding off-road abuse and unpredictable weather. These running boards add a rugged, aggressive look and preserve ground clearance, balancing aesthetics with practical access for daily drivers. In a head-to-head with the well-known AMP Research Power Step, the JOYTUTUS running boards win on install simplicity. The pros include easy bolt-on installation, strong load capacity, and dual-tier anti-slip design for rugged daily use. The cons include limited compatibility with Wrangler JL 4-door models and not universal across other Jeep variants. In real-world testing, the boards withstood wet entry and exit scenarios while maintaining grip and minimizing slip during rain-soaked drives. On rough gravel and light off-road use, the reinforced steel stayed rigid with no noticeable flex, preserving safety and confidence. The kit includes clear instructions and all hardware, enabling a straightforward bolt-in process that most DIY enthusiasts can complete. Elevated styling pairs with maintained ground clearance, ensuring daytime driving looks are fierce while approaching rocks or curbs without scraping. For Wrangler JL 4-door owners who commute daily and explore occasional trails, these boards deliver practical access and a rugged presence. At number 1, we have the Rough Country RPT2. For buyers chasing rugged utility with clean street presence, these running boards promise simple installation, lasting strength, and confidence on every entry. The slim, low-profile design appeals to owners seeking a stealthy look while preserving functional, comfortable step access. These heavy-gauge steel side steps offer a solid foundation with a 6.75-inch wide stepping area and traction holes. The matte black powder coat finish delivers corrosion resistance and a bold modern look that aligns perfectly with lifted trucks and rugged accents. These steps are built from rust-resistant steel with a 465-pound rating, backed by a limited lifetime warranty. No drilling, no cutting, and no modifications required makes installation approachable for weekend DIYers, typically completing in under 2 hours. Field testing confirms factory mounting points align cleanly, enabling a straightforward 1 to 2 hour installation that avoids any drilling or permanent modifications. Compared with the AMP Research Power Step, the Rough Country RPT2 excels with no drill installation, yet its stepping area feels narrower. On real-world use, the running boards stay solid during daily entries, delivering a confident stance that minimizes ankle strain and fatigue. The stepping surface and traction holes perform reliably in wet or muddy conditions, improving footing during winter entries and off-road adventures. The one-piece construction eliminates mid-span flex and provides a cleaner install without brittle joints, contributing to long-term reliability. Rough Country backs these running boards with a limited lifetime structural warranty and a 1-year finish warranty for ongoing peace of mind. The pros include rust-resistant steel, no drill installation, and a wide 6.75-inch stepping area. The cons include higher price and a narrower stepping area relative to some premium rivals.